Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today it is a bright sunny morning here and I just wanted to have a very healthy breakfast, something very quick to make, and I just decided that since I have broccoli at home, I will make broccoli and carrot cutlets for the breakfast. And I just wanted to share this very easy recipe with you guys because they turned out really nice and it is very easy to make them. So let's just see the ingredients what we need. We need one medium broccoli. We will just cut it into little florets and like this. Just cut your broccoli into florets, and we need to boil them in water. So just take a kadhai or a wok or a pan and just boil some water, and that we will just put our broccoli florets and we will let it boil for 5 minutes. Just add some salt over it and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can check, like with the help of a knife, if you're able to cut the stem of the broccoli, that means cooked. So if you see I'm not able to cut the above stem, so I will let it cook for 2 minutes and I will drain the water and I'll let it cool. Once the broccoli is cool, I will just cut them into very small pieces, like I will very finely chop it. It's very easy because it is boiled, so you will not face any problem. So just finely chop all the broccoli, put it in a bowl, and we will add some more ingredients to our broccoli. See, I will be adding 1 cup of grated carrots to this. You can take red carrot or orange carrot for this. 1 small chopped onion. I will also be adding 1 tablespoon of green chili. You can add half tablespoon also if you like less. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of besan, which is chickpea flour, and mint and coriander leaves chopped. Now I will be adding some masalas like red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder roasted, a pinch of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and salt to taste. You can skip any of the ingredients if you don't like it, or you can add some more, and with the help of a spoon I will just mix everything together. Now I will just use my hands to mix everything together because this is like you want a mushy kind of a texture to it. So just mix it all with a hand, and to bind everything together I will be using 1 boiled mashed potato. Boiled potato will help with the binding, so just mix the potato with it. If you don't like it, you can add 1 tablespoon of corn flour also, and you can go ahead. Now just rub some oil on your palms, and with the help of a spoon just take a ball size cutlet mixture and just make a ball out of it. And now just try to shape it. You can shape it round, you can shape it oval or cylindrical, either ways the way you like your own cutlets to be like. See how it is easy to make them. It is not even sticking on my hands, and they are ready. So we will make one more, and similarly we will make all our cutlets. Now our cutlets are ready to fry, so we will just shallow fry them. I have taken a non-stick pan and I have just drizzled some oil over it, and I'll keep all my cutlets on the pan. You can take a like small fry pan also, and you can shallow fry them in that. I have placed all my cutlets over it, and I have drizzled 1 tablespoon more of oil so that they are able to cook. Make sure that your tawa is on low to medium heat and it is not on high heat, otherwise your cutlets will burn and they will not cook from the center. So let it cook like 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then you just turn them. It is very easy to make them. Like they will be just ready in like 10 minutes, I think. It doesn't take much time. So once they're ready, just take them out on a paper towel, and now I will show you how to plate them. So here we go. I have actually served them with green mint chutney and some tomato sauce. You can also serve it with some mayo dip, and we can use it in our burgers or pita bread or in even in our sandwich, or just have it like this, the way I am having them. They are a great option for breakfast or tea time snacks. Just do try it out and let me know in the comment section how you find them. So if you like my channel, do give it a subscribe and just click on the bell button so you get notification of my videos whenever I come in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.